Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to deal with two new words, during and while. Let's see how we can use during and while. One is prepositions and one is conjunction, and I have already made few videos on prepositions and conjunction. I will share the link in the description box. You can go through it and you can learn prepositions and conjunctions. So let's get started with today's video with during and while. So first let's discuss what is during. During is a preposition, and it is used when something happens, and during is always followed by a noun. Every time remember that whenever you want to use during as a preposition, use during with the noun. Like example, he fell asleep during the movie. So he fell asleep during the movie. Now the next sentence is, I take notes during class. Again here during is followed by a noun which is class, and in the first sentence he fell asleep during the movie, and here the during is followed again by a noun which is the movie. So this is how you are going to use during as a preposition, always followed by a noun, and it depicts something happens. Now let's come and see where you can use while. While is a conjunction, and it is used when two things happens at the same time, right? Two things happen at the same time. First, while is always followed by a subject and then a verb. Next, while is also used and it is followed by a gerund. Gerund are mostly verbs with ing form, right? Let's see one example. First, when a while is followed by a subject and verb, like he fell asleep while he was watching the movie. So he fell asleep while he was watching the movie. Fine, here this is how you will use while, which is followed by a subject he, and then helping verb was and the verb, right? Next you can use while which is followed by gerund. As I told you, the gerund means verb with ing form. Here is example, he fell asleep while watching the movie. So you can also write the sentence in another way, when it is followed by subject and a verb, like I take notes while I listen the class. Now here while is followed by a subject and then a verb. Same way, if you want to rewrite the sentence when the while is followed by gerund, it is I take notes while listening the class. So let's do some quiz. So the first sentence is, the phone rang dash I was washing the dishes. So what is the correct answer? Try, and then I will tell you what is the correct answer. I have just discussed with you that what has to be followed. Yes, it is while. The phone rang while I was washing the dishes. Fine. So this is the rule. Now the next sentence is, they listened dash the presentation. They listened dash the presentation. Will you use during or while? Come on with the answers. Yes, the correct answer is during. They listened during the presentation, because here during is followed by a noun, the presentation. So as per the rule, they listened during the presentation. So let's see the next sentence. He spoke a lot dash the meeting. So you can use either during or while. So let's see what is the correct answer. Perfect. The correct answer is during. He spoke a lot during the meeting. Again, during is followed here by the meeting. The next sentence, we stayed inside dash the thunderstorm. So again, you have to use either during or while. So what is the correct answer? Yes, perfect. The correct answer is during. We stayed inside during the thunderstorm, because again it is followed by A noun. Thank you. Have a nice